everybody, it's Kim here. I am going to do a walkthrough of both of these planners. They are both MommyLhey planners. This one is a standard size. Currently she has ring bound and pocket size in her shop. You're welcome to check those out. This is from the December Little Bits box. Originally it's an A6, but I've turned it into a pocket wide. It works better in my system and it works better in my purse, so that's why I do it that way. And there's a video on how I change this. It's just some folding and some stitching and some measuring, and it's very easy. You don't even have to stitch, honestly. Anyway, let's start with this one. I'm going to move this guy out of the way. I also made a wallet insert out of some MommyLhey paper scraps. This is just a piece of elastic that holds it on. I just have it to coordinate. I think I got that at Hobby Lobby and I just cut it to size. But this is my wallet insert. It holds my credit cards, my cash. The only thing it doesn't hold is my change when I get cash. So I just put that in the pocket of my purse. But it's really handy, and I love the fact that it's on the outside because I don't like sitting at the checkout and fumbling with my planner. And then I'm afraid that things are going to fall out, and I just get nervous. So what I like is the fact that I can pull this out of my purse and set it on the counter. I'm not going to forget it. Take my credit card out, take my credit card in. It's perfect. It works out well. So that is what that is. I'm going to go ahead and put this back in so it's not so floppy as I'm turning. All right, and of course you can see some of these papers. I cut some papers out, and I also use some stickers. These are those black and white stickers that you can color in from the kit. I just like them just the way they are, so I don't color them. Here's my first dashboard. All my dashboards are from Foxy Fix. This one is my family of me and my parents. I just love that up front. It's super cute. Again, this is my on-the-go planner slash wallet. I have all of my schedules in here. This is from the December title card. On the back you'll see that there's the download link. I use a lot of digitals, and so I download the digitals and I don't need the title card anymore, so then I just recycle it in my planner. This is a piece of acetate scrap that I stamped using this stamp set from the, I believe it's the August kit. I'll try to do my best to try to make sure I have all of the kits organized in my mind. I get a lot of kits from MommyLhey because I've loved her stuff for so long. So I believe that this is from the August kit. Again, a cute little Frenchy die cut from this kit. Believe that this is digital papers. I normally don't adhere my outer page insert cover to my actual insert, but this time I thought I'm going to go ahead and do that. Here's the February. Like I said, I have all my schedule in here. It's on the go. I don't use my tracker, but I do write down what I need to do when I'm leaving the house. If I don't leave the house, then I don't write anything in there. So I've got the whole month set up, ready to go. So it's pretty, but yeah, it's ready to go when I need to write something down. Again, back of the dashboard is packaging. You can see this page flag as if up here would be like that MommyLhey logo. I just went ahead and chopped it off and cut it to size for here. The back side was plain because it's obviously packaging, and I just used the scraps that were on my table, and that's what that is, along with a couple stickers. And this is the bookmark, and I used the bottom part for something else that I don't even remember where it is now, but I added the top part to here, and I think it turned out super cute. Again, we have acetate or vellum from a previous kit. At that point, I don't know, honestly. Here's a scrap piece of acetate again, and a die cut. I've decorated January, and this is my 2018. It has all of the months in it. I've decorated January. I used those page flags that are on the top of one of those sticker sheets, and I kind of made this cute little decorations on the side, but everything is pretty plain, pretty normal, just fun stickers. I used some scrap piece of paper for here. Again, some washi, some stickers, and it works for me. I haven't set up March, April, June, July, or whatever the rest of the month. I need to go ahead and transfer it from this master planner. This is what stays home with me. I need to get them in here ASAP, just to make sure I have everything when I'm on the go. All right, die cut here from the kit, and here's a digital print that I made. I layered a whole bunch of stuff together and made a dashboard. Again, more scrap pieces of paper. I've got my list section here, and this, like I say with a lot of my stuff, this is recycled. This used to actually be in my standard planner, but I keep chopping it down. I think it was in my B6 previously before this, and then every time I move it down a size, it gets trimmed. So its final size will be this pocket, but it's super cute. It's one of those Heidi Swap light inserts. It was a K, which is, my name is Kim, so it worked out well. I just got it off the clearance section for like 50 cents. So add some die cuts and you're in business. Again, here's a title card from the October kit. This used to be a vellum printable that I did on my own. This is one of those freebies from the MommyLhey Facebook group, and I just added this sticker from the October kit as well. And again, this is recycled. It used to be like a wraparound, but then I made it a dashboard, and now I've just adhered it to this marble paper, so it doesn't actually go all the way around. Again, this is my grocery list and all the things I need for meal planning. I have my DIY little paperclip pen holder here, and this is the pen I've been using. It makes a great mark, works real smooth, and it works for me. A piece of acetate on that marble paper, just a scrap piece I had lying around, and of course I have these guys. These are just die cuts from the October kit and from the December kit. That's all I've got in here right now. Again, I have my charm from the December kit. It's super cute. I love it. All right, let's go and work on the standard. Again, here is the standard. Pinka Dots is what it is called in the MommyLhey shop. I'm gonna move that out of the way. And let's get started. In here, I have all of what I have left of the kit, which isn't much. As you can see, I do have some of these stickers left, and I've used this side, ironically, so I just chopped it off so it's not getting stuck as I get it in and out. Again, this is like pretty much the only packaging I have left for the entire kit in here as well. So there you go. I keep my die cuts in this little cute bag here. I've got a few left as well, and I've got a few hanging out here. Couple clips. This is packaging as well. This Frenchie down here. As you can see, there's that little page flag shape. All right, here is this piece of acetate that I turned. Well, it's a digital file from Pop Goes My Heart, which is the digital kit that Mommy put out first middle of January. And I've turned it to a black and white, and then I went ahead and foiled it. And I love how it turned out with this pink foil. It looks wonderful. This Frenchie here is part of the digital downloads kit. I just blew him up like nobody's business. I think he's adorable. I did color his tongue digitally as well, and then I added a bow from a kit from a different shop right there. I love this clip from K&Co. It's just stunning. I love how black it is. It's such a stark between the black and the pink. I just thought it worked well. Again, I put the acetate on some paper, and then I wrapped the paper of the insert. Here is February that I have all decked out with the MommyLhey December kit as well. I used washi kind of like as a background paper in this corner. She usually has, you know, obviously February has 28 days, so there's this huge corner over here. I just decided to take advantage of it and add those fun die cuts. I couldn't resist using the ombre date covers. I'm not really a date cover kind of girl, but this time I just like, they're just gorgeous. I have to use them. And I don't always use all of them. Obviously, I just get to, and I don't decorate ahead of time, and I'll show you that moving forward in my 2018. I just go ahead and write stuff in as it comes along, and then I go ahead and add decoration when it comes around. Here's my cleaning list, and this is from, I think, August. That's really old, but it looked cute in here, and I usually use something for this so I can keep organized. Again, just doing some decorations in the corner, using some of the stickers, nothing too serious. Here is my last week. I do put the time pertinent things on top, and then I just kind of randomly place stickers. And as you can see, moving forward, and I do journal a little bit, moving forward. This is completely plain. I have just decorated. I haven't added anything in it. That's why I'll move things from my 2018 and my February calendar into the week as well. So the end, here we have I'm not afraid of decorating some of these insert covers because they sometimes become dashboards later, and I'll show you as I move forward with that. Again, here's that vellum, or excuse me, the acetate that I foiled. Again, another acetate that I used. This is from the digital files. I just love this Frenchie. I did gold foil it. Made this tag, again, packaging, washi tape, washi, and die cut. And here, again, is more recycled items. I'm going to move this out of the way so you can see. I've used it for a insert cover previously, and now it is just a strip of fun in my planner. Again, used some of the MommyLhey paper. And here's January all done, of course. Here is February with the Pop Goes My Heart. Remember I was talking about that previously, that marble paper. Loved how this turned out. I used a bunch of clear paper and sticker paper, and I think it turned out fabulous. Added a little sparkle here and there with some extra stickers and some one of those sequins, and I think it turned out well. I've got March all done already, but as I was saying previously, this is how all of my other months look. Every single one. I'm not afraid to go ahead and keep writing. I just decorate later. So I'll be decorating April soon with a different kit, but I think it looks, you know, everything looks the way it does, and then I just go ahead and add stickers to it, and then I rewrite on top of the stickers if that's what I need to. So it's not a whole lot of extra rewriting, but it sure makes it look cuter. Got this acetate with these cute little Frenchies. Again, this used to be an insert cover for November. I've now turned it into a dashboard. Again, here's the back side. Another journal card from November. And I did foil some digital file for November as well. I'm going to keep this shut. This is some private information in there. I've got some date journal cards right here. Again, another acetate. Looks beautiful on top of this calendar insert I've got down here. And this is my gratitude. And of course, my gratitude, I can't have it without a little bit of MommyLhey in there. Isn't that cute? All right, next page is this. This is a dashboard. Again, this is, the Frenchie is packaging, extra paper, washi. I love my coffee from Dutch Brothers. I miss it terribly. It's a West Coast and I'm on the East Coast, and don't get me started, I'm sad. All right, so we have, again, this is a digital file. I just added a couple things too. Here's the acetate that came in the kit. I printed off some paper. And the back side, here's that acetate, and again, added, this is the actual sticky notes. That goes, I just cut a little piece off to put it in a corner as a little detail. This one, I just had a whole bunch of scraps lying around. I did a MommyLhey blog post on this previously. I just took my sewing machine out, did some decorative stitching, stitched all those pieces and parts together, as you can see. And voila, I have an insert cover. I could have backed the side with a new piece of paper and glued them together, but I was like, that's fine. It looks good. All right, so this is the insert I use for 2019 planning. So I started this in December, and I write down things that I need to remember for next year in December. So I've written down things for January that I need to remember for next January. And that's what this insert is. Again, here's the back side of the paper with the stitching. This is from the Digital Kawaii Christmas Kit. It's just a snowflake paper from Mommy, and she does such a great job at designing, so I had to print that out. Again, this used to be an insert cover, now it's a dashboard. This is a vellum piece from Maggie Holmes, and the honest part here, I'm going to show you. This is how honest I am. It started ripping, but I really wanted to use it, and so I just added extra pieces of washi tape, and now it's in business again, and now when I want to turn my pages, I'm not ripping it even more. This is my cleaning schedule, nothing really going on there. Again, this used to be an insert cover. I chopped it down, and it's now a dashboard. There's some extra pictures. This used to be an insert cover surround for my pocket. And so that's what that is. And I used extra bits and pieces. Like this piece of paper is a scrap piece of paper that has its like chopped off right here because I used it for something else. So I just put a picture on top and voila, got it. Extra paper for just layering. I think it looks nice and shadowy in there. This used to be the November paper. I just turned it inside out. Here is my meal planner. Nothing really going on. And this is actually from the bag, the gauze bag that you get all of your stuff from MommyLhey when she puts it in your box. I just went ahead and made this bow, and the ribbon around the center is the drawstring that you have with that. In the end, I always attach the month's sticky notes, or if there's note cards or notepads, that goes back here. I always just use this clip and clip these on here. That way I can obviously write anything I want on there. All right, guys, I really appreciate you stopping by and taking a look at what I've done using this setup. I tried to go as fast as I could to make it short, but if you do have questions, feel free to ask them below, and I'll see what I can do about answering them. Thank you, guys. Bye.